baby, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change.
What is up, everybody? Today is Sunday, and I am trying to recover from this busy weekend that I had. So I just woke up. Okay, like I was saying, I just woke up, and I'm trying to recover from the weekend that I had already. And then we supposed to be going down to my sister's house today. She wanted me to carpet clean her floor today. I don't think sister got it in her today. I don't think I got it in me to carpet clean the floor. I really don't feel like going because I don't want to drive, but I'm gonna go because my kids want to see the nephew, and my other nephew, he's still there, so they want to see him too. So I'm gonna go down there and see what I can do to help her. Other than carpet clean her floor, I'm gonna go down there and see what else I can do. And I might stop at Sam's again today and get like more juices. I didn't get any for my house. The stuff that I got for her house, the stuff that I got the other day, it was for her house. Except for the oil. I had got some vegetable oil. I bought that for myself. So, yeah, I'm going to go down there and see what I can do to help her out. I was already kind of tired yesterday when I went to the Christmas party. I guess the tiredness just kind of crept up on me a little bit more. I made it home we made it home last night at like 10. Yeah. I think we made it home last night about 10. My hair still looks good. I wrapped it up last night before I went to sleep. And the curls kind of still look good as well. I got I think my mama brought my curling one from my sister's house because I had left it. So, back to work tomorrow. I got to do the girl's hair and get everything ready for tomorrow. So, like, I wish we could have left early, but I didn't have it in me to get up and go. So, now we got to try to leave this evening. I was waiting on Jerry to bring some pork chops back because I was going to go ahead and cook some rice and gravy and pork chops, but he haven't made it back, and I think I'm going to have to wait till later to cook that. I might go ahead and cook the rice so I can have it ready when I get back. All I had to cook is pork chops and gravy. So, I'm going to talk to y'all after a while.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away with whatever I want.
We just made it to my sister's apartment, y'all. I'm finna cook some pork chops here. I gotta cook my pork chops here because it's later in the day. And Jerry had took my truck and washed it and stuff for me, so it took me a little longer to get here. Go ahead. I gotta get my stuff. Over here at my sister's house, y'all, I love my tripod. And I gotta edit my video, upload it. I think you got some pretty good Wi-Fi, huh? I think the last time I tried to upload a video, it went real fast. Oh yeah, I gotta cook my pork chops here because I got here a little later than I wanted to. So I'm gonna cook my pork chops and gravy and stuff here. Yeah. Kids can go outside, play on the playground, and when I get home, I just have to cook the rice and cornbread. I ain't know what kind of pots my sister had here, so I didn't want to bring out my pot. I don't know what you got here, child. So, what you need me to do? Go ahead and pre-set this oven.
Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. her problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could rely all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep.
Ava, tell everybody what you want for Christmas.
They gonna buy it?
Girl,
I want a car.
girl, stop it. Stop it, please. Stop it. Just stop it now.
I want
We moving on. We moving on. A job application. Junior, we moving on. What,
No,
Junior, what
no,
did
no. I want some shoes.
Be so for
I
real.
want some shoes, and I want the nail things. You know what I'm talking about?
The nail kit, she want to do nails.
And I want purses.
You want purses? What kind of purses? Just some purses?
I want Kurt, and I want. And
Right now.
I want Steve Madden,
What?
and I want regular purses, and I want big Hello Kitty purse.
Junior. Tell everybody what you want for Christmas.
Oh, I think 15.
Why do it gotta be a 14? You don't even know what's the difference.
Oh, I want 17.
Oh,
I want a
okay.
new phone.
You want a new phone?
For my birthday. You gonna give me a 17?
You want a new phone for your birthday?
Can I get a phone like you? Me? Mama got a 15.
What do you want, Junior?
An iPhone 14.
And what else?
A VR.
What? And what else?
That's all.
Dallas.
Dad,
You want a what?
I see you, girl.
iPad
And an Apple TV.
and an Apple Pen
And a drone.
and a drone.
And I want.
You never had a drone before?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
I got a drone. I got a drone.
No, I didn't. That was a helicopter.
What else you want? That's it?
No.
That's it?
And I want some shoes.
Also, new AirPods.
New AirPods. You ain't never had none.
Yes, I did.
Oh, headphones?
I want,
You want some headphones?
I want,
Yeah, I want
can I talk?
a new car.
New what?
A car.
Car.
I want my license.
Get out of my face.
I joined that was quiet. I want a house.
Okay,
Okay, you want to be,
Oh,
be
Mom,
for real?
I want to be a billionaire.
I want a G-Shock.
I want to be a billionaire.
I want a G-Shock.
Oh, yeah, you need a damn job.
This thing's on the cheap.
Job.
Get them from Walmart. I
Job.
want a job application. Julie, what
Oh, you better be telling Santa Claus for real, baby.
we not over there?
These kids and these unrealistic Santa Claus requests. Y'all didn't even write a list though. Santa Claus be here after a while. Anybody make a list?
No.
Okay. So how you supposed to know what y'all want?
I'm gonna write it tomorrow. I'm a Santa Claus on real. Yes, he is. Got these parents bringing a present.
Oh. Mama ain't got no money, so it can't be mama.
He is. If I say you right here, I'm tracking. You can teleport. Yeah, I can teleport too, but I can't teleport you too. Don't tell me.
I don't think that oven on. Is that oven on, Riri?
No. Ma'am.
Oh, this oven ain't on. Thought I had the oven on the whole time. It wasn't on. I'm gonna take these children to the park. Y'all, we leaving. Alright, y'all, so we getting ready to go leave my sister's house, but I'm finna go try to find her. She's trying to pump, so she needs something to help soothe her breast or whatever. So I'm finna go try to find her some, what is it? What I said I'm gonna try to find? I'm finna go try to find her a cabbage. Cause y'all know y'all use the cabbage for the soup or whatever. And she's feeling some pain right now. So I hope I can find it at the dollar store. I could have got it earlier, but I wasn't thinking. So I'm finna go now and look for that real quick before I leave, and then we're gonna get back down this road. What time is it, Ava? 5:36. So we're gonna make it home by 7 o'clock. Somewhere up in there. I still gotta comb hair, take baths, and get everybody ready for bed. So
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you.
Ava driving. This how I grew up though. When I was like 11 or 12 years old, that's when I might have been 10. When I was like this, her age, that's when my mama my mama tried to teach me how to drive. My mama scared me to death. She had me so nervous all the time. I couldn't learn from her. Sorry, mama. So I ended up, I can't remember who really taught me how to drive. I can't remember. It might have been my mama. She tried with me on multiple occasions, on multiple times, but I just couldn't. Mama made me nervous. So I try my hardest to just let my kids just drive. Because when I say kids, not only is Ava learning how to drive, but Junior is learning to get over some Ava out this dirt. But we almost at home. We just on our back road to our house. We have a, you know, they had them country roads. It's a country road where we don't really have traffic and stuff like that. I let her drive in that parking lot. We was in the parking lot the other day, so that's why I let her drive, because it was empty parking lot. We did have one car in there, but you know, nobody wasn't really around, so I let her drive. We almost at home though. My mama cooked us some rice. She cooked us some cornbread, so I'm gonna pick that up and we're gonna eat this rice and gravy and pork chops. And I am so hungry. It is 7:20. We just not making it home. We almost at home, like 2 minutes away. And we finna let Junior get up here and drive. You feel like a driver or something? You're a driver. Tell him what. Oh, y'all heard her say she wanted a car. Girl, you have to get a license.
I'm getting a
You're not even old enough.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down dirty, act like the bad guy. You want.
All right, y'all, we got our rice. My mama saved today. Cornbread. Not potatoes, pork chops and gravy. So I'm just gonna put this in here so I can get the gravy out better than trying to get it out with this.
Some love like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path.
She